Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best Vantrue Mini Dash Cam. The Vantrue E1 Lite 1080p Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality dash camera that covers all the essential features for a safe and secure driving experience, you've come to the right place. First, let's talk about the design. The Vantrue E1 Lite is incredibly compact and discreet, which means it won't obstruct your view while driving. It comes with a 1.54-inch display, which may be small, but it's more than enough to view recordings and navigate through the settings. Despite its size, it's packed with powerful features that make it a must-have for any driver. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its 1080p resolution with HDR support, ensuring clear video quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're driving in bright daylight or at night, the E1 Lite delivers crisp, clear footage, making it perfect for capturing essential details in case of an accident or other incidents. The night vision capability adds to its reliability, ensuring that you won't miss any important details in low-light situations. The Vantrue E1 Lite comes with built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to easily connect the camera to your smartphone through the Vantrue app. With this app, you can view footage in real time, download videos directly to your phone, and manage your dash cam settings without any hassle. It also has GPS functionality, so it can record your speed and location, adding an extra layer of protection and evidence if needed. This dash cam also supports voice control, which is a fantastic hands-free feature. You can start, stop, or save recordings with simple voice commands, making it easier to focus on the road. Plus, it comes with a detachable design, allowing you to remove the camera when you need it for off-the-record footage or storage purposes. Another noteworthy feature is the 24-hour parking mode. This means that when your car is parked, the dash cam continues to monitor its surroundings, automatically recording any motion or impact. It's an excellent feature for those worried about the security of their parked vehicle. On the storage front, the Vantrue E1 Lite supports a micro SD card up to 512 GB, giving you ample space for all your recordings. Whether you're driving on long trips or just running errands, you can rest assured knowing you won't run out of storage space anytime soon. The camera also uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, which improves its longevity and reliability, especially in extreme temperatures. The video format is MP4, and you can easily play back your footage on various devices, whether it's through the app, directly on the dash cam, or on a PC. The USB Type-C port ensures faster charging and data transfer speeds, so you can spend less time waiting and more time driving. Overall, the Vantrue E1 Lite 1080p Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam is an excellent option for anyone looking for an affordable yet feature-packed dash cam. It offers high-definition video recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, parking mode, and much more. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this camera has everything you need to keep your driving experience safe and secure. That's it for today's review of the Vantrue E1 Lite Dash Cam. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.